in this video, I will show you something went wrong or a network error on Meta AI. So the first thing that you need to check is your connection. Simply go to your control center, turn off your Wi-Fi, then turn it on again. Check if it is completely stable and working or not. And you can also try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi connection. The next thing that you can do is turn on your airplane mode. Leave it on for about 20 to 30 seconds. After that, you can turn it off again and then let your Wi-Fi get connected. The next thing that you can do is simply click and hold on to Meta AI icon. Click on App Info. From here, click on Force Stop, then confirm it. Then go to Storage Uses. Here you will see Clear Cache written in bright red. Click on it. Then the next thing that you can do is go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Meta AI. After that, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. And if there's no update available and it's still not working, then you can simply click and hold on to Meta AI icon. Click on uninstall, then confirm it, then go back to Play Store. After that, you can install the Meta AI app again. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.